Hello, my esteemed viewers. Hello, my esteemed viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today, I'll be dropping a video in response to this amazing question from my esteemed subscriber and viewers. So let me quickly head back to my YouTube channel to see what exactly Chijoke is talking. Okay, the question I'll be responding to is this very question. It's going to be in brief though. So he said, actually, I did. I want to proceed into doing transaction. It's still showing me add payment method. And when I add payment method again, my bank details don't, the bank details don't what? His bank detail don't show and makes my transactions not complete without it. What do you think be the cause? Okay. So, Chizuki, I'm sorry actually for returning to this, for answering this your question late, but it's not too late because I think it's just 2 days. I was a bit occupied. So let me quickly take you to the peer-to-peer transactions where he is referring to. His question here is about peer-to-peer transactions, how to add up your bank account or your bank details on Bybit account for peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, so the matters there is very simple. Okay, it's very simple, but you're just going to pay attention. Okay, so before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to my channel, do it to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my video. So let's quickly go back to what is it called, Bybit's exchange, without waste of time. Okay, so if you're having issue with adding your payment method, this is exactly what you're going to do. Navigate yourself to your peer-to-peer. As we all know, peer-to-peer start from more. Okay, if you click on more, you're going to scroll down to, in order to what, to locate your peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, click on the peer-to-peer transactions and allow it to load up. Okay, if you click on the peer-to-peer transactions, the next thing, as usual, you're going to navigate yourself to these three dots. If you go to the three dots, then you're going to click and choose user center. If you choose user center, slowly come to payment method. All right, if you come to payment method, you can see I've added my payment method and others. Okay, all right, so it's going to go in, it's on what, it's on peer-to-peer trading, right? Some peer-to-peer trading. So let's quickly proceed. So you're going to come to this place and click on here. Yeah, all payment method. Okay, if you click on this all payment method, there's these two arrow here that you're going to click. If you click on this all payment method, right? Click on the all payment method. Click on the all payment method. It's going to show you a lot of things. Here is showing all, right? Here is showing all, and you see, and we are using bank transfer, and here is showing all. So there's going to be a lot of confusions that will not allow your account number to be added. Okay, so all you just need to do is to click on this bank transfer. Okay, you click on the bank transfer. If you click on the bank transfer, that is all. Okay, you click on the bank transfer, that is all. Click on the bank transfer and go back. Coming to this very place, you now click on confirm to confirm what you have selected. Okay, you have confirmed bank transfer. So on this occasion now, if you just go to your peer-to-peer transactions, it will show you to, it will just show the bank transfer. Then you click on it to choose your account, or you can even leave it like that if it's just one single account you linked. Okay, so if you do find help from these very places, do not hesitate to like my videos, share my videos, and if you have any questions still, drop it at the comment section. Don't bother, I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.